Sofern SD08, ang pinakaastig na diving flashlight na nasubukan ko. RGB halo lights, astig na forma, compact design, powerful LED, rechargeable battery na may built-in charging port, 3,200 lumens and an impressive beam distance of 385 meters. Using an SFT70 LED that has been tuned to have a good blend of flood and focus. IPX8 water resistant na pwede mong isisid hanggang 100 meters na lalim. What I have right now is a demo unit kaya hindi ko na mapapakita ang full na unboxing experience. Pero samahan nyo pa rin ako para kilatisin ang kanyang build quality, specs, features at higit sa lahat, subukan natin ang kanyang lakas at suriin natin ang kanyang beam profile by doing an outdoor test. Let's do an outdoor test right away. Let's go! Alright guys, a long distance test ng ating Sofern SD08 dito tayo sa Buhisan Dam, 180 to 200 meters. Alright, so let's start with low. And that's 300 lumens. So maabot siya ng konti. Then medium. 1,000 lumens. Yan. And then turbo. Yan yung turbo niya. So sobrang liwanag. Napakaliwanag. It has a nice blend of flood and focus. So yan. Test naman dito. Yan, low, medium, yan. Tsaka yan yung high. It's very foggy tonight. Kasi umulan eh. And but it has a good beam distance. So parang in par lang with the Sofern SC33. Yan. Pero mas focus yung kanyang hotspot. Guys, beam shot ng ating SD08 dito naman sa favorite spot natin, medium range test. So let's go with low. Ayan. Then medium. And then high, turbo. Wow. Sobrang liwanag. Yan guys. Sobrang liwanag. Ngayong tapos na tayo sa outdoor test, check naman natin ang kanyang specs and features. Unang-una, it uses an SFT70. Yan na merong overlay na di ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. You know, SFT70 are used in thrower flashlights. So yung mga long distance beam na flashlight, yun yung ginagamit, SFT70. Yung reflector naman niya is not a smooth reflector, it's an orange peel reflector. So it's an indicator that the beam profile of this one is more on the floodier side, and you can tell sa ating field test na ginawa. Hardened mineral glass, ito naman yung kanyang bezel, at sa gilid niya, ito yung standout feature niya. What makes this one unique amongst all diving flashlight is ang kanyang halo na RGB. Ito naman ang kanyang magnetic rotary switch. Maganda ang kanyang feel, smooth and clicky. At ang kanyang tube is parang tube ng SD09L at SD09. Same rin sa kanyang tail cap. Parang sa SD09L lang. Yan. So, comparison ng SD09L natin. Yung tube niya is almost the same. Same profile, pero mas deep yung SD09L. Tsaka mas mahaba yung cap ni SD09L. But the design language is almost the same when it comes to tube and yung cap niya. Sa batteries naman tayo, dito is dual gasket and they're very generous with grease. Ang gustong gusto ko rito is that they opted with a rechargeable battery na may built-in Type-C slot for charging. Tsaka meron na ring indicator ang kanyang battery dito, yung maliit na yan. Umiilaw siya kapag charge mo at tsaka it will turn green when it's full. Gustong gusto ko talaga yung ginawa nila sa battery. They already ditched yung generic charger na usual mong makikita na kasama sa mga diving flashlights. So good job Sofern for having this instead as an option. It's very convenient when it comes to charging. Kung may dala kang power bank, madali mo siyang matcha-charge. Kung meron ka namang extra na 21700 batteries, pwede mo namang gamitin yun. So quick size comparison ng ordinaryong 21700, medyo matangkad lang siya ng konti. Pero compatible naman siya dito. So kung may extra kang 21700 na battery, you can definitely use it to power your SD08. So ito nga pala yung kanyang contacts and a very generous material. So as you can see, it's a 3-piece body. Ayan o, napakakapal. Sa kanyang tail cap naman, gusto ko yung ginawa nila dito, flat dito. So you can still tail stand this one. Yan. So napakaangas, napakaganda ng kanyang design. It mirrors the SD09 a little bit. Gustong gusto ko yung forma niya. Gustong gusto ko yung dating ng kanyang design language. And this is very compact. So this is also a good everyday carry, I would say. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang user interface. Napakadali lang. Walang mahiwaga sa kanyang user interface. As you can see, itututok mo lang tong line na to. Meron na siyang 5 options. 1 is off, low, medium, high, at saka RGB. Low is 300 lumens, and as you can see, umiilaw na yung kanyang halo light ng green. So this also serves as a battery indicator while you're using your flashlight. This turns red kapag lowbat na siya. Medium is 1000 lumens, and high is 3200 lumens. And according to the chart, magsi-step down siya approximately 2 minutes. So hanggang dito lang yung kanyang switch. It does not go all the way through. Kaya ibalik mo lang. I really like the RGB lights. With my experience of the SFT70 with reference to the SD06 and the Workhos DL02, yung runtime niya is maximum 12 hours. Pero dahil may RGB lights to, parang yung runtime niya is similar to the SD05, which is about 7 hours or 8 hours, which is between 7 and 8 hours. So that's the rundown of the Sofern SD08. Very cool diving flashlight. Will I recommend this? Definitely yes. You have to experience that halo light. Kahit na may ibang diving flashlight na may mas magandang performance dito when it comes to runtime and beam profile, hindi nila mapapantayan yung experience na dala ng RGB lights na to. It's very, very cool. I really like it. Even if it's a diving light, I'm not really a fan of diving lights kasi hindi ko naman magagamit yung mga diving lights. Pero dahil dito, kumuha ako ng SD08 dahil sa feature na to na RGB. Nakikita ko ang ganitong feature sa more premium at very expensive na mga flashlight. But to experience this at the price point of the SD08 is really, really cool. It's a beautiful unit in my opinion. Also, my final thoughts about the RGB lights or yung kanyang halo lights. Yung runtime nito is estimated at 30 hours. Nagagamit nga ba talaga to? Kapaki-pakinabang nga ba siya? I wanna know your thoughts about that. Comment nyo lang sa comment section. Pero para sa akin, it sets a certain atmosphere. And I think it's really, really cool. And I'm really, really excited about this light. Nag-aagawan kami ng partner ko dito just because of this cool halo lights. Alright, so that's our review and my thoughts of the Sofern SD08. Kung may na-miss ako, pwede nyo lang i-comment sa comment section. at sasagutin natin yan. We'll also do a follow-up video of the SD08. And enthusiasts, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Again, this is your boy Mohayag and see you on the next video.